Hello, dear Christmas decorators. Today, let's talk about the Christmas tree, a holiday staple that can truly transform your home during the festive season. The Christmas tree isn't just about tradition. It's a symbol of warmth, joy, and the spirit of togetherness that defines this time of year. Bringing a beautifully decorated tree into your home has a unique way of lifting the atmosphere, making everything feel more joyful and inviting. But it's not just about aesthetics. The Christmas tree also creates lasting memories, especially when decorated with family and friends. Let's dive into why having a beautiful Christmas tree can make such a difference in your home, and I'll share some ideas to make your tree stand out this season. First, let's talk about why the Christmas tree is so central to holiday decorating. It often becomes the focal point of your living space, drawing everyone's attention as soon as they walk in. When you put care into decorating your tree, it sets a festive tone that flows through your entire home. The tree can reflect your personality and your family's unique style. Whether you go for a classic green tree with red and gold ornaments, a more modern and minimalist approach, or something a bit more whimsical with colorful lights and quirky decorations, it tells a story. Choosing your tree style allows you to create a look and feel that best suits your home and brings out the holiday cheer in a way that's uniquely yours. One of the great things about having a Christmas tree is how it brings people together. Decorating the tree as a family or with friends is a tradition that creates beautiful memories. Everyone has a role to play, whether it's unboxing ornaments, hanging them carefully on each branch, or adjusting the lights until they're just right. This activity builds a sense of connection and shared excitement as you all get involved in bringing the tree to life. And if you have a collection of ornaments gathered over the years, each one tells a story, reminding you of past holidays and loved ones who may have given you special ornaments along the way. This connection to memories is one of the most beautiful things about having a Christmas tree. If you're looking to make your Christmas tree especially striking this year, consider going for a theme. A themed tree can elevate the look and make your holiday decor feel cohesive and intentional. Think about classic themes like red and gold, which add a luxurious, warm glow to the room, or try a winter wonderland look with frosty blues, whites, and silvers. For a more natural, earthy vibe, you could go for wooden ornaments, natural textures, and deep green accents to complement the tree's branches. And don't feel limited to one theme. If you're into something more eclectic, mix it up. Themed trees don't just look stunning. They can also make decorating easier, because you have a clear vision of the look you want to achieve. Lighting is another big aspect that adds to the tree's charm. There are different types of lights you can go for, and each brings its own special ambience. Classic white lights create a warm, cozy glow that feels timeless and elegant. On the other hand, colorful lights bring a playful, nostalgic feel to the room, especially if you have kids who love the cheerful look. If you're aiming for something more sophisticated, try to layer your lights. Start with smaller, subtle lights toward the center of the tree for depth, then add larger, bolder ones toward the outside to create dimension and balance. Don't forget about LED options. They're energy efficient and come in various settings, from twinkling effects to soft fades, so you can create a dynamic look that catches the eye. When it comes to ornaments, there's a lot you can do to make your tree really personal and unique. You might have ornaments that mean a lot to you, whether they're vintage pieces from past generations, DIY creations, or travel souvenirs. These ornaments add a sentimental touch, giving your tree a story of its own. Mixing special keepsakes with stylish decorative ornaments gives you the best of both worlds. A tree that's both beautiful and filled with personal meaning. Another trend that's becoming popular is using oversized ornaments to make a big statement. Just a few large pieces can make a tree look fuller and give it a bold, stylish edge. The tree topper is like the finishing touch, the grand finale to your decorated tree. Choosing the right one can tie your whole look together. Traditional options like stars and angels are timeless and always bring a touch of elegance, but feel free to go with something that reflects your style. If you're going for a more rustic or natural look, consider a tree topper made of wood or other natural materials. For something modern, you could go with a minimalist metallic topper, or if you want a whimsical twist, a fun character or bow might be perfect. Whatever you choose, make sure it feels like a natural extension of your tree's overall design. As you enjoy your decorated tree throughout the season, it also becomes a constant reminder of the holiday spirit. It's fascinating how something as simple as a tree can spark joy every time you look at it. You might find yourself admiring the twinkle of the lights, or the way certain ornaments catch your eye, bringing a sense of calm and happiness into your space. Each evening, as you turn on the lights, it brings a soft glow that instantly changes the mood of the room, making everything feel warmer and cozier. It's not just about the tree's beauty, but also the atmosphere it creates. Another benefit of having a Christmas tree is how it enhances the holiday experience for guests. Whether you're hosting a big family gathering or a cozy get-together with friends, your tree becomes a conversation piece and a natural gathering spot. Guests are drawn to it, and it's not unusual for people to walk up and admire the ornaments, share memories of their own trees, or even take photos with it. The tree creates an inviting ambience that makes everyone feel at home and gets everyone into the holiday spirit. If you have children, the Christmas tree is an especially magical part of the season. Kids are often excited to help with the decorations, and seeing the tree all lit up brings a kind of wonder that makes the holidays unforgettable for them. They'll likely remember these traditions and may even carry them forward in their own homes one day. Involving kids in choosing or making ornaments, placing them on the tree, and turning on the lights each night can become a treasured family tradition that brings everyone closer together. And let's not forget the role of the Christmas tree in holiday photos. Every year, many families take their holiday photos around the tree, capturing beautiful moments against its festive backdrop. The tree adds an extra touch of joy and color to family photos, making them even more special and capturing the warmth of the season for years to come. These photos often become cherished memories that you'll look back on long after the holidays have passed. One more thing to consider is choosing between a real or artificial tree. Both have their own unique benefits. Real trees have that fresh pine scent that many people associate with the holidays, bringing nature indoors and adding an authentic touch. They also come in various shapes and sizes, giving you options to find the perfect one for your space. On the other hand, artificial trees are incredibly convenient, especially with pre-lit options that make setup a breeze. They're also reusable, which can be cost-effective over time. With today's artificial trees, you can find realistic options that are easy to set up and store, making them ideal if you want to avoid the upkeep of a real tree. Finally, remember that your Christmas tree can become more than just decor. It's an experience. Once it's decorated, it can be a special spot in your home, perfect for moments of reflection, celebration, or simply admiring your hard work. Sitting by the tree, with its warm lights glowing, can be a calming and magical part of your holiday season. This space becomes an ideal spot to share stories, enjoy a warm drink, or just take in the beauty of the season. A beautiful Christmas tree is more than an ornament for your home. It becomes a part of the season's joy, a source of happiness, and a gathering point for friends and family. Taking the time to decorate your tree with intention, love, and creativity transforms it into a centerpiece that radiates the warmth of the season throughout your entire home. Whether you go for a grand, luxurious tree or a small, simple one, it will always hold the magic that makes Christmas so special.